You don't need money to make money. You need creativity, consistency, and courage. In today's world, opportunity is free if you're willing to grab it. So today, I'll show you 7 powerful side hustles. You can start with $0 that can help you build real income from anywhere in the world. 1. Freelancing. Your skills are currency. You already have something valuable. Maybe you can write, design, edit videos, or even organize things. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer let you offer your skills to clients worldwide. Start small, 1 client, 1 project. As you deliver good work, your reputation grows, and so does your income. Many 6-figure freelancers started with nothing but a laptop and dedication. 2. Social media management. Help businesses grow online. Every business wants to be on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, but most don't know how. Learn simple posting strategies using free tools like Canva and Meta Business Suite. Offer to manage social media pages for small local brands or online entrepreneurs. As their followers grow, they'll happily pay you to stay on board. 3. Print on demand. Turn ideas into income. If you're creative, design t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags using Canva or Kindle. Upload your designs to Redbubble, Teespring, or Spreadshirt. No upfront costs. When someone buys your product, you get paid, and they handle printing and shipping for you. 4. Affiliate marketing. Recommend what you already love. You don't need to create products to make money. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Share product links on YouTube, blogs, or social media. When people buy through your link, you earn a commission. The secret? Promote things you actually use or believe in. That builds trust. 5. Online tutoring. Teach what you know. If you're good at something, math, English, coding, or even guitar, you can teach it online. Websites like Preply, Cambly, and Udemy connect you with students globally. You don't need a degree, just passion and good communication. 6. Selling digital products. Work once, earn forever. Digital products are the goldmine of the future. Create an ebook, Notion template, journal, or guide on something you know. Upload it to platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Once it's live, people can buy it over and over while you sleep. 7. YouTube or TikTok channel. Build and monetize your voice. Yes, just like this. You can start a faceless channel sharing tips, facts, or motivation. It's free to start. But over time, ads, sponsorships, and affiliate deals can become your biggest source of income. Remember, everyone starts with 0 subscribers, but consistency turns effort into success. Don't wait until you have enough money. That's how most dreams die. Start with what you have, where you are, and let action create momentum. And subscribe to MindShift Media for more powerful ideas that will help you grow, earn, and live smarter every week.